Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you different hairstyles that you can create at your own places without visiting any expensive salons. You can create all these hairstyles at your own place. These are very easy, these are very simple, these are very less time consuming, and you will definitely fall in love with such kind of the hairstyles. All these hairstyles are inspired from the classical braids that we usually make. It's not something big that you can't create. You just have to remain focused. You just have to follow each step in a sequential manner. You don't have to skip any particular step. Once you will follow each instructions carefully, you will be able to create these hairstyles perfectly at your own place. All you just need is some rubber bands, combs, and some of the hair accessories like the bun pins and the fancy hair pins. Once you're done with this, you will be able to see the different hairstyles. All these hairstyles are very simple, very easy. These are very less time consuming. Moreover, we have kept in mind that all these hairstyles are for the different hair textures and different hair lengths. Some hairstyles are for the long length hair, some are for the medium, and some are for the short. Maximum hairstyles are inspired from the bun look that we usually go for the casual one. Even you can convert the casual buns into the fancy hairdos by just placing some of the fancy hairpins inside the buns and you're done. So let's have a look for the few hairstyles that we have discussed here. You can just pause the video so that you don't get confused at any particular step, then you can follow each step. For this type of the hairstyle, it's best suitable for the medium length hair. You just have to take the hair from the two different strands and then give them the internal twist as shown here using the rubber band. I'm just fixing them at the proper position. Let's move towards another hairstyle. Again, I'm taking some of the hair strands from the two different directions and tying them at the proper position using the rubber band. You can just repeat this step as I'm doing here. It depends on how many twists and the turns you want. Now you just have to make the two divisions, convert them into the braid, and then fix them at the proper place. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is best suitable for the medium length hair. First, you just have to make a high ponytail. After that, you just have to take some section of the hair towards the upper portion and see how I am just twisting them towards the inner one. You can just pause the video then follow this step in a sequential manner. This is quite good and simple and you can definitely give it a try. Once you are done with this thing, you can just fix it using the rubber band and then you have to take the another rubber band at the bottom, give them the internal twist again as apparent on your screens. As this is done, you can decorate with some fancy hairpin. Let's move towards another hairdo. Here I'm taking some of the portion of the hair and I'm just simply turning it into the bun. The leftover hair is taken and see I'm converting into the braid and then loosening it, and you can fix it at the proper position as we are doing here. This is very simple and very attractive hairstyle. You can definitely give it a try. Let's move towards another hairstyle. This one is again best suitable for the medium length hair. First, you just have to make a ponytail, then make the two divisions, then take some of the hair from the different hair strands and then you just have to make them in a zigzag manner like we usually make for the fishtail. You just have to repeat this step again and again till your whole hair length is converted into this fishtail. It looks quite simple and quite easy. Just give it a try. It's not that much difficult. You can decorate it with some of the fancy hairpins and you are done. Thank you.